Ready to turn your Zapier skills into a revenue-generating machine? First, pinpoint your ideal client. Think about who struggles with repetitive tasks and could benefit most from automation. Are you targeting e-commerce businesses overwhelmed with order fulfillment, or marketing teams drowning in social media management? Defining your niche is key. Next, uncover their pain points. Research industries, analyze online forums, and even directly ask potential clients about their biggest workflow challenges. The more deeply you understand their needs, the better you can tailor your Zapier solutions. Now, craft tailored automation solutions based on their pain points. Design Zapier workflows that streamline their processes, for example, automatically adding new leads from Facebook ads to their CRM, or instantly creating invoices for new e-commerce orders. Communicate the value, not just the features. Instead of saying, "I can automate your email marketing," say, "I can free up 10 hours a week for your marketing team by automating email campaigns, leading to a 20% increase in qualified leads." Focus on the time saved, the errors reduced, and the revenue generated. Build a strong online presence. Create a website or landing page showcasing your Zapier automation services. Highlight your expertise, display testimonials, and offer case studies to build trust and credibility. Finally, confidently present your solutions. Clearly explain how your Zapier automations will solve their specific problems and improve their bottom line. Show them. Don't just tell them. Offer a free consultation or a demo to seal the deal. Now go out there and automate your way to success.